Make sure that the core of your heart is not filled with other than Allah. I'm going to give you an example. You take your car to the gas station, and one day you notice that gas has gotten very expensive, but orange juice is on sale. So you say, you know what? I'm going to be clever. I'm going to put orange juice in the gas tank instead of gas. What have you just done to the car? Anyone? Not a trick question. You don't have to be a mechanic. You broke the car. The car is broken. You've destroyed it. Why? Because within the car is this tank. And that tank was created only to be filled with one type of thing, and that is gas. If you fill it with any other thing, it will break the car. The human being has within it a tank. It's called the qalb, the heart, the core of the heart. And it was created to only be filled with one type of thing, and that is La ilaha illallah. Meaning, the core of the heart is only created to be able to handle and hold Allah. And if you put anything else there, you're putting orange juice in the gas tank. Many of us don't even realize that this is the core reason of why we're suffering. We're walking around with orange juice in the gas tank. It's not Allah at the core. It's our children, our spouse, our money, our career, status, power, and this is one of my all-time favorites, what other people think.